Hello all. It's just going to be a short video. A friend of mine at our local club Steam Era was at the Florida Flywheelers, and someone had given him this lantern, road flare, so he had given it to me. Straightened the top out a little bit. It was a little crooked, but not too bad. It is a Toledo truck flare made by the General Steelwares, Toronto, Canada. So all the way from Florida back to Canada. Thank you very much, Steve. And hopefully you can see this going in person sometime. And I'm sorry about the audio. I'm using my bad phone, so it is what it is. Talk to you later.